Hey you guys, this is Braden here, Panama City MarineMax. I've got a great, unique opportunity for you to own a 2013 30 Dorado. Alright guys, so as you can see here, this 30-foot Dorado is equipped with twin 175 Suzuki's, hung on a porter bracket. This is a very unique boat, made out of Tarpon Springs. 2013 was the last year, very rare. This boat can go offshore and draft 12 inches of water. Let's hop aboard and check out the interior. All right guys, we're aboard this 13 Dorado. As you can see, tons of fishing space. Got in-floor fish boxes, huge live well, rocket launchers. As we move forward to the helm, you can see we've got twin Simrads. It does have outriggers that are built into the T-top. So we go forward to the bow. You can see we've got a large V-berth. You guys are out all day long fishing. You got the kids, the dogs. They can get out of the hot sun. Behind here, we've got an access panel for all your electronics. Real spacious, easy to get to. The wiring is gorgeous. You got a spreader light up top here. Overall, this is a fishing machine. Please come and see us, MarineMax, Panama City Beach.